Hello everyone, this is Ayush Lamsal from the Instructional Design Center. Today we will learn how we can submit an assignment in Blackboard Ultra. So let's get started. First, log into Blackboard using your NDUS credentials. Once logged in, click on the courses to see a list of all your courses. Navigate to the course where you need to submit your assignment. For today's demonstration, I will use the Ultra Sandbox practice course. After clicking on the course, you will be taken to the course page. In Ultra view, the navigation bar is at the top. This bar includes tabs like Content, Calendar, Announcements, and many more. Click on the Content tab. Locate and click on the assignment you need to submit. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Click View Instructions to read the assignment details. To start, click on the submission box. A text editor will open. You can type your assignment into the text editor and you can also upload a file. To upload a file, click on the attachment. Select your file from your computer. After typing or uploading your file, review your work. Once you are ready, click Submit to complete the submission. After submitting your assignment, a submission receipt window will appear. You can choose to download the submission receipt for your records. Additionally, you will receive an email notification with a copy of the submission receipt as confirmation. This is how you can submit an assignment in Blackboard Ultra. Thank you for watching this video.